making chicken light soup from Ghana. I've got my chicken all prepped and cleaned and washed with lemon, and I've also got some tripe in there. And we are going real, home style. I have my tomatoes, my peppers, I've got my garden eggs, and I have my onions, ginger, garlic. I've also got cloves, just to fragrance. It will give it a really nice smell. To get started, we're just going to just do our prep. Your peppers, take the heads off. If you do not like chili, you can take it out. I grew up with it in Ghana. Okay, so we're just going to wash this, put into our pot. The same with your chilies. And then we have onions, prep that as well. Onions, ginger and garlic. I'm going to steam that with our meat. We're going to wash this as well. Okay, so we have so in here we've got our garden eggs, our tomatoes, chili, onion, and we're just going to steam that. Please be careful when you're doing this. I'm just used to it, so I'm just going to slice up some onions onto our meat. I'm going to add a tablespoon and a half of all-purpose seasoning. If you don't like all-purpose seasoning, you can just add your salt, or you can just add Maggi cubes or whatever seasoning that is available. You can even get chicken seasoning in any store of your choice. I'm just going to cover that and allow that to steam. And whilst that is doing that, I'm just going to blend it. So now we're going to just blend our onion, ginger, garlic and clove. And that's going to also go onto the meat to help steam it. That just smells wonderful. So if you're making chicken soup, try adding cloves to it. I've already added in the blended mix. We'll be blending the rest of our veggies once it's steamed. Okay, so this has been cooking for 10 minutes. I'm going to give it another 10 minutes for veg and everything to carry on steaming down. Okay, so we're back. This has been cooking for a total of 25 minutes, and as you can see, the chicken steamed and the veg, our onions, tomatoes and ginger also steamed exactly how I want it to be. So I'm just going to add them into the blender. Okay, we're just going to blend our garden eggs, tomatoes first. There we go. Everything is blended now, so I've added water in there. Just go in there. I'm going to taste for seasoning again. So I'm going to add salt, about a tablespoon to begin with. And we're just going to give this time to really just cook down nicely. Okay, so my soup's been cooking for 35 minutes. You can see the oil on top, so really almost done. Depends on the thickness that you want. Taste for seasoning, so it needs a bit more seasoning. I'm going to go back in with my all-purpose seasoning. Please remember, when it comes to seasoning, it's about what the amount you can stand. And I'm just going to cover and allow it to cook further. Okay, so our chicken soup's been cooking further 30 minutes. Look at how much it's reduced. Smells wonderful, it looks great, it tastes great. And then just serve with your fufu. In Ghana, whenever soup was made, especially chicken soup, in my household was always served with fufu. That's exactly what we're doing here today.